muchachos, welcome to the vlog. I'm not really sure if this is a vlog or a regular type of video, but because I'm holding my vlog camera, we'll call it a vlog. Let's make it a vlog.
Okay.
Vlog today. So all weekend we've just been kind of sick, but at the same time a little bit out and about, and because of that the house is a little bit of a wreck. Therefore today is a chore day. We have to clean the entire house today.
This is my cafe named Michael, and
I'll even show you. If you look at my events for today on my, you see we gotta clean up today. Check this out. Clean the house, as well as garbage and recycling, pick up some groceries. That is what we have to do today. And it is such a beautiful day. You guys gotta see outside. Seriously, I'm just living for this weather. Look at that blue sky. Look at it. And the breeze is so beautiful. I have a bunch of windows open in the house. Ellie is sleeping. The kids are just wandering around. So right now I'm gonna focus on starting to tidy up the kitchen. We're literally doing like a full house clean. It's gonna be quite a busy day. But first I'm gonna clean up the kitchen, kind of tidy that up, and then I'm gonna go ahead, pack up the kids. We're going into the van and we gotta pick up our groceries. Usually we do not do the click and collect pick up groceries unless we're either sick or the day is just so busy we don't actually have time to go inside the store, because I actually think it's important for kids to go inside a store and know how to act and respond and talk to Kids are just dropping books on their toes. Ouch! Oh! Here, read the book that fell on your toe. Subscriber gave us that book. Love that book. Anyway, so I'm gonna start up with that kitchen tidy. This camera battery is about to die, so I gotta charge it. While it's charging, I'm gonna go to the store, come back, and we will continue cleaning with you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. So we just got back home and we picked up all the groceries. I didn't realize how much sparkling coconut water with grapefruit that I bought. But I got grapefruit and I got watermelon. I didn't realize I got so many, but I got a lot. Making a stir fry tonight with these porkless pork bites. Oh, don't shake the can. We'll give that one to Papa. Some juice because we're all ill, some fruits and veggies, organic maple syrup, hemp hearts, just all the goods. So gotta put this away. And while I'm putting this stuff away, I'm gonna kind of also organize and clean out a little bit of the fridge, freezer as well. So as you saw, all the groceries are put away, the fridge is nice and clean, and then on top of that, me and the kids have been going at our living room, but I did just put the kids for naps. Right now I have the Dyson vacuum head on, and I've just been vacuuming our area rug, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put on this one. This is the one for hardwood floors or just laminate floors, so I'm gonna do that on the rest. Later in the evening, I will be doing a wet mop of the entire house, but for now, we're just gonna get a lot of the dust and excess with this. We're also gonna do a little dusting. I'm gonna wipe down some of the windows, do some detail work along the edges here, and then we should be good to move on the kitchen. Laundry is going, living room is clean, kitchen is clean. I now need to go ahead and do the mudroom. Just a good vacuum, a little bit of dusting. I have a small mudroom. Dust these shelves, do the floors, got some coats I have to hang up. And then I thought I would show you guys, because I always get questions what I use for cleaning. My main cleaner is the Thieves Cleaner by Young Living. This is just the household cleaner. It's very concentrated. So you do a little bit of this and a lot of water. And then for wipes, I use the 7th generation Disinfecting Wipes. It's natural, it's good. You know that I'm very intense about having natural cleaners, so these are my favorite. And then I always have microfiber cloths because I can use these on the windows, I can use them on any surface, and I'll be using them to do a little bit of dusting in this area too. If you're new to my channel, we live in a tiny house, and because of that, our bedroom is just situated right here, right beside the fridge. If you're jealous, I understand. Mudroom first, this room second, because Elizabeth, she is sleeping. Her eyes are open, but she is sleeping. And then I'll be able to do the floors, dusting, make the bed, recycling, and toys. Let's get going on that right now. All the kids are awake from their naps. Hey, Ivy. I just love having these windows open all day so kids can watch one episode of whatever little show they'd like to watch. It's usually about 25 minutes. Bum, 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 bum. Into the kids' room. We have some mess we have to clean up. We're gonna do the floors. We're gonna do dusting. And then we're also gonna put their duvets and sheets on their beds again. The laundry's been done. We gotta put all the laundry away. Look at that's Calvin's pajama drawer. He literally has just one sock right there. So we need to put their laundry away. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, next with the vacuum, I'm gonna go ahead and do all the baseboards. Crazy how dirty they get. And what I also like to do, I like going into the dryer. I'm gonna pull this out. All the dust trapped inside. I like to go at it. What I also like to do is get the fan. Oh yeah! That's the spot I cleaned. That's the dirty dust stuff. So I like to clean the fan, gusting like this. Whoa, Ellie's crying a lot. Just a second. Ellie's good? Let's keep going. 2 out of 3.
2 out of 3.
Yeah. Wait, do you do shoot or just rock, paper, scissors? When people are like rock, paper, scissors, shoot, then it's awkward. Just rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Winner does recycling, loser does floors. Rock, paper, scissors.
I win.
No, what the heck? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, I got to do recycling. Wait, I'm the winner. Yeah, I gotta do recycling. Okay, good. I am doing recycling. Kieran's doing floors. He got home from work. I just gotta put all this oh my goodness. Wow, those guys are loud. Loud birds. It's always nice finishing up the garbage and recycling, and all the chores we got done today feels so good. Feels even better that Kieran is home and he's helping me do them. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching today's video. I'm already feeling like 10 times better than I did this morning. Pretty sure I'm gonna feel pretty much 100% tomorrow, which will be fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.